Hi viewers, this video is for the explanation of Excel uploads in conduction or additional controller 1 of exam cell software. So let's get started. Here let's start with degree and regulations upload. This is a sample template given here. I'll tell you what all criteria that are to be followed to upload the data through an Excel sheet. So first, in the academic year, it should be like this to 2023 to 2024. The thing here is there shouldn't be any spaces between 2023 and 2024, just like this. It shouldn't be like this. There shouldn't be any space between 2023 and 2024. This is the criteria here. And here in the name of the university, the college name should be given in the capital letters. Here then in the level it should be UG or PG, same in the capital letters. So whatever the data you are giving here, will be reflected throughout the software. So you have to maintain similar data everywhere. Here in the name of the regulation, it is R23. It depends on you what what code do you want to give in the regulation. It could be as it is aspirant engineering college, you could also give AR23. It depends on you, but whatever the regulation it is given here, whatever the code is given here, it will be reflected everywhere. So same code should be given everywhere. Here similarly in the batch, there shouldn't be any space between 2023 and 2027. Whatever the year you are giving, 2023 to 27 or 2022 to 2026, whatever the batch you are giving, there shouldn't be any space. Here in the name of the degree, it should be BTech like this in the capital letters. The program code here, whatever code you are giving here, it should be similar, and the same code should be given everywhere. Here in the program names, civil engineering, you can give it normally, like there is no criteria like you have to give in capital letters only. Civil engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, whatever the format you are following here, it should be similar everywhere. And next, moving on to display name. So you are giving a code to all these programs here. So I'm giving the code CE to the civil engineering here. So this code or this display name should be given everywhere. And the duration in SEMS, we have to give the duration of the SEMS it would be consisting of. Here in civil engineering would consist 8 SEMS, so I'm giving the 8 number here. And here intake including LE. So this depends upon the university, like how many seats are going to be available for this particular program. So now this is it for this degree and regulations upload. So let's move on to course master here. So this is the Excel sheet that has to be uploaded in the course master. So here similarly, first thing is the UG. The level would be UG or PG in the capital letters. The degree would be BTech or MTech or any other course that you are giving, but in the capital letters. The branch would be CSE AIML. So this branch which we are giving, it should be similar to the display names that we gave here. Just like we gave CE to civil engineering, it should be similar here. CE for civil engineering. So all the data wherever we are giving, we should follow the same format and same code that we have given earlier. And here similarly in the B batch, it is 2023 to 2027 without any spaces given in between. And here in semester, give the semester in capital letters only. Here in the regulation also, the regulation we have uploaded in the degree and regulations upload, we have to give the same one like this. Here we gave R23, so similar regulation should be followed here, R23. And subject code for internal and external examination. So this subject code should also be given. This subject code should also be same everywhere. Internal exam code, referral code. Referral code is a unique code which starts with the regulation. Here in the subject name, you have to give the subject names of the. You have to give subject names all. You have to give the. You have to give all the subject names available in the institution. Here in the subject type, give define the type of the subject here, but only in the capital letters. In the course order, you have to give the priority of the subjects. Here you have to be careful because you are prioritizing the subjects, so arrange it accordingly. Next are the credits. These are the credits that each subject carries. So I'm giving 2 credits for communicative English, 3 for chemistry. So, and here in internal maximum, it should we have to give the maximum marks it carries in the internal examination and maximum marks it carries in the external examination. And this is the total marks that it carries. Here in engineering sciences, we have to define that subject. So we are categorizing this communicative English under basic sciences, and here we are characterizing introduction to programming in engineering sciences. So we are categorizing the subjects here. And here in the others, this is totally for honor and minor subjects. So let's move on to tag. Here in the tag, if I mark it as one, if I mark these two subjects of the engineering sciences as one, then out of these two subjects, only one subject is going to be allowed to the students. And here in the replacement subject, if I mark it as one, then this subject would be considered as a replacement subject. That means it can be changed with other subject if required. So this is it for the course master. Now let's move on to student master here. So here similarly, this Excel sheet is going to be uploaded in the student upload page. So this format has to be followed. The serial number, the level should be given in the capital letters only, UG or PG. The regulation, the same regulation code that we have given in the degree upload and course master. The course, the branch, everything that we are giving here, course, branch, semester, batch, this should be similar to the details we have given in the course master and degree and regulations upload. Just like that, here we are giving one first semester in capital letters 2023 to 2027 without giving any space, and hall ticket number in capital letters only wherever the letters are given in the capital letter, the admission number, the roll number, the name in the capital letters only, year of joining, admission date, admission type. And here I forgot to mention that hall ticket number and the roll number both should be similar, both should be same. So here admission date, it should be in the same format. The date first, then the month, and then the year. There shouldn't be any spaces. There shouldn't be any comma or full stops here. This the date slash month slash year. This should be the format. If the student has lateral entry, so we'll mark it as 1, otherwise it will give it as 0. And here date of birth in the same format. First is the date, then the month, and then the year. The format should be same. And then is the gender given in the capital letters only. The date of birth should be given in this format, date, month, and year. Give the slash in between. And then here in the gender, you have to give the gender in the capital letters. Give the father name, mother name, all the names in the capital letters only. Then the mobile number without any spaces. Then this set name and the hall ticket number, both should be, name should be in the capital letters. And then the hall ticket number. So now let's move on to the set rank and the admission type code, set ID. So all these information should be carefully entered here. The sub branch, if it has any sub branches, the fee reimbursement it would get, and here the address, door number, street, village, mandal, district, state, pin code, everything should be given in the capital letters only. Here the identification marks. So this marks, identification marks 1 and 2, this will be printed on your certificate also on the TC. So this should be carefully given. The Aadhaar number, this is the parents Aadhaar card numbers, and the caste category. The scholarship, if the student is eligible for scholarship, just give 1, or if the student is not eligible for scholarship, then give 0. And here the student email ID, and then the parent email ID. This is it for student details upload. Let's move on to faculty details upload. Here the first is the serial number, then the employment ID, then the department, the name of the faculty, and here the address, district, state, the experience the faculty carries. It should be given in the same format. If the faculty has 4 years and 5 months of experience, then it should be written as 4.5. Follow the same format, just like this: 11 years, 10 months, 5 years, 10 months. This format should be followed. And in the role, give their role, if it's the faculty or the HOD. No, no, give the role of the faculty here, and the designation of them, assistant professor. So this is it for the Excel uploads given in the additional controller 1 of exam cell software. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.